Wow! A Labubu crane machine! Let's try it out. Steady, steady. You got one! Let's see what you got.
Whoa!
Ooh, yellow! But there's plenty more where that came from.
Wow!
Okay, Wenda, it's your turn. Try to test your luck. You got it! And the color is, drum roll please, orange! It's a Labubu girl in a Labubu world. Looks like you got enough to play. Don't worry, just gotta shake it a little.
Yay!
Should we be worried about that box? Ooh, there's something strange going on here. Oh no! Your Labubu's under lock and key. Looks like we gotta play games to save it. Quick, catch those eggs before they get scrambled. Well, no use crying over spilled eggs, I guess. Still a good haul. Ooh, is this where Labubus come from? No, wait, they're all full of slime. Ooh, and little blocks too. Hey, we can use them to make a new kind of Labubu. In fact, we can make a whole litter. They've got a surprise for you, a key. Aw, Labubu love is in the air. No need for he loves me not with this flower.
Oops!
Wow, time goes by so quickly around here. Yeah, I think we're gonna need some help here.
Hey!
Your ride is here, and off you go. Better blast those sirens. Uh-oh, a rock! Not exactly the best time to get a flat tire. Of course, there's never really a good time to get a flat tire. Either way, this place will get you back on the road in a jiffy. When it comes to auto care, this shop's always prepared. That should do it, and just in time, too. Mama Labubu, the doctor will see you now. Aw, it's twins! They look just like you. Doctors don't do tips, but we'll take that. Next, bring these Labubus back together. Here's a hint. Match them by color. And by process of elimination, you're done. That was easy. Too easy. Now the real challenge begins. And what could be more of a challenge than simple addition? But first, it's time to think outside the box and to get a pen. Ooh, keeping things on brand. Okay, write your answers and make sure to show your work. Wait, your tears! They've summoned a calculator. Wow, who knew crying really did solve everything? 2 + 1 equals 4? I don't normally question calculators. Let's hope this guy's better with subtraction. Maybe it's some special code or something. Well, if it works, it works. I'm not gonna complain. Oh no! The soda war's about to begin! The people have chosen. Time for a half-off sale. Okay, this is just not your day. Remember, when you come into some money, It pays to invest in a little security. You know who's not going to be happy to see this. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! The rules of the game? Roll a die to see what happens next. Blue gets the first hit. You okay, Red? It's your turn next, Red. Put 'em up. Looks like you two are evenly matched. The winner might be whoever gets the most turns. Careful, Red. You're in the, well, red. This could be anyone's game. Time for the final roll. Okay, Red, it's your turn. And we have a winner. The consolation prize, a nice cozy cell. The winner takes it all, but this one gives back. Aw, this poor Labubu needs our help. Here, we'll treat you to a nice warm meal. Aw, our Sprunki friends want to help. Simon and Wenda will help with the main course. Next, it's time we start heating things up. And what do yellow and white make? A sunny side up egg. Next, Tunner wants to help out too. Set the timer to break a clock. Now that's what I call toasty. Ah, sliced bread. Need I say more? Anyone want orange juice? Ha! I'll be here all night, folks. Not quite freshly squeezed, but just as nice. Breakfast this late? Now that's what I call fancy. Here's something to wash it all down. Ooh, aren't you a great tipper? It's time for a little Labubu manicure. We just need a little Labubu to go with it. Do you have time for a quick trim? Hinky? Not exactly what we're looking for. Catnap? Hey, long time no see, buddy. But we're looking for a little Labubu. We found you. And just in time, too. You could use some cleaning up. Careful, don't get soap in his eyes. Labubu's in the tub, so let's rub-a-dub-dub. We should really unplug those ears. Now, every Labubu's known for its smile, so let's make sure it's looking its brightest. Besides, this toothpaste is minty fresh. And your smile looks as good as new. It's time to hit the hay. Aw, thank you. Someone's getting a mint on their pillow. Ooh, did you sublet this from the Three Little Pigs? Well, with the right money, it can be a fixer-upper. Unfortunately, the rocks might get to it first. Poor Labubu. We'll get you out of here. The final key. We're on our way to saving our Labubu. It was a lot of work, but that face makes it all worth it. If you have a heart, Sprunki's a part of you. But now, It's time for a little world building. Coca. You know what goes great with soda? Mints. See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh, we're not supposed to get it wet. Maybe pressing more buttons will help.
Oops.
Well, I'm out of ideas. An SOS? Grab it! A door. Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world. Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunki friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunki! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. And you guys go on to the next level. Or back to the start. There's no place like home. But our new button really opens doors. Time to grab your water wings. It's an ocean world. Talk about a big fish in a big pond. He's eating them up and leaving only tails, like an all-you-can-eat shrimp buffet. Of course, that appetite could be your undoing. Ooh, good thing he forgot to chew. We just need to match the heads to each body. Let's try again. It's simple. Match them by color. All better.
Yes.
Too bad it looks like stormy weather. Wouldn't call this a day at the beach. Quick, bring Semi-Hemi to the shore. Come on, air in, water out. Much better. Now let's fix that splitting headache. Another button. Let's try it out. You know the drill. Let's see what's behind the door. Wow, this place is for all you cool cats. Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Well, we've got a secret weapon for that. Pickled fish. And it's extra stinky. Come on, kitties, have a bite.
Wow.
Hey, look, there's a button in the pool. Ooh, what's Mr. Black up to now? No cats? Well, they usually don't do water. But how are we going to get the button? Those pipes could be the solution. You like the pool slide? How about a rock slide?
Oops.
Let's try the Scrooge McDuck route instead. I guess everybody has their price. Don't worry, kitties. We'll get our paws wet for you. Think we should drain the pool? The button! Let's try it out. It looks like a ratty theme. Wow! You're all interplanet Jan!